and welcome to our channel. My name is Maria. In today's video, I want to speak a little bit about the eyebrow lamination, and I want to show you when and how to shape the eyebrows into the shape with the adhesive. Check it out. Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to speak a little bit about the eyebrow lamination. To be more precise, I want to talk a little bit about how to modulate the eyebrows with the adhesive. But the first step, what I'm going to do is to prepare all the area. So I'm using our delicate makeup remover to remove every single residue of old makeup, maybe some cream, whatever there can be on this area. And after that, I pass with our prep to prepare the hair. Before modulating the eyebrows into the shape with the adhesive, I always pass first with step 1 to make the hair softer, because if you're already familiar with the lash lift or eyebrow lamination procedure, then you know that step 1 is the part what makes the hair soft. So for example, if we work with the really harsh eyebrows which are growing downwards, in that case after it's much easier to modulate the eyebrows into the shape with the adhesive once we made the hair softer. So I suggest you, before using the adhesive, pass with the step 1. I'm giving already the direction upwards. And in this video I'm using our lamination products with aloe, as it's much better for the skin, and you can go directly with this product onto the skin without worrying that it will irritate the skin. If you want, you can help already also with the brush. And then just leave the product on to the eyebrows, depending of the hair. If it's thin hair, then keep the lotion on for about 7-8 minutes. If it's medium hair, in that case 10 minutes. And if you're working with really thick eyebrows, in that case 12 minutes. Okay, once the developing time is finished, we're gonna remove the step 1 with a dry cotton. Okay, once the step 1 is removed, it's time to start to modulate our eyebrows with the adhesive. I always work with the sectors, so I start to add little by little the adhesive. And using my Y tool, do not use it that way, because that way we're gonna scratch the skin. Use it in this position and slightly pass from the eyebrows. In that way we separate all the hair. As you notice, I'm not bringing them upwards, but slightly diagonal, because I still want to follow the natural shape of the eyebrow. step by step, moving from one zone to another with slight diagonal movement. Do not press strongly on the eyebrows. And when you separate the eyebrows, if you see that your tool starts to get stuck on the eyebrows, it's time to add some more adhesive to soften the previous adhesive. As you see, I go diagonal, so all the hair are going into the same natural direction. Let's add some more. This way, adding some adhesive and following the natural shape of the eyebrow without bringing them too much upwards, because we still want the natural result. It's also very important that the hair that you don't pull them too much into tension. So slowly, without scratching. Following the shape. Wherever you need to fix the shape, just add some adhesive and reshape them. So make sure that all the hair are straight, that the tips are not curled or in some strange shape. Because once we apply step 2, this is the shape into what the eyebrow hair remain. Once you shape the eyebrows into desired shape, it's time to add step 2. Start from the head and moving to the tail of the eyebrows. As you saw, that after step 1, it's so much more easier to modulate the eyebrows into desired shape. Because sometimes when we have really thick, the eyebrows what are growing, for example, downwards, it can sometimes be tricky to modulate them into the shape with the adhesive. In that case, for me, really well works the trick of the first using the step 1 without any adhesive or anything, and after that I modulate as the eyebrows become really soft. I modulate them into the desired shape. And the step 2, once it's applied to the eyebrows, I keep them on the eyebrows exactly the same times as I was skipping the step 1. Okay, once the time is up, this time we're gonna remove everything with the makeup remover. So that way I will remove every residue of the adhesive as well. And now the eyebrows are in the shape what we gave with the adhesive previously. After this step you can move ahead, proceed with the tint and with the lamination procedure. If you like this video, hit the like button. For other tips and tricks videos, follow our channel and follow us also on our Facebook and Instagram. See you soon!